Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to share with you guys an unboxing from Enailcouture. I just love his packages. I have to do a voiceover because at this point I was not feeling good, so I'm on the mend now. So I'm going to share with you guys what I received or what I ordered. Let's get into it. Okay, so I ordered 2 packs of the sculptured nails. This one here is the almond. These are mini ones, so these are like my size that are on right now, or maybe even a little shorter. Thought these would be really good for like when I'm doing my mom's nails too, because she does like them on the more active length, so I wouldn't be wasting like a super long tip. So you can see it's almost literally like just under my nail length that is right now here. It's a decent size, but these are the minis. They're called mini sculpture almonds, and these are the 1, 2, 3 goes. So they're nice and thick, so you can put it on with like gummy jelly or even just nail glue. This one here are almonds, 1, 2, 3 goes, and these are just the regular size almonds. So this is something that I would really enjoy working with. I'm thinking about putting those on right now. We'll see. So you can see the difference. They do go past what I have right now, but it's a beautiful length. It's so pretty. And they're etched already for you. They're very sturdy. I love that. And then something that I haven't received before, I'll share with you guys in just one moment. Oh, let me open this up. Okay, this is the 002. Isn't that pretty? This is a gel polish, and it is so pretty. I love this container. I'm obsessed with that long handle. I love it. But it's just a jet black. But I needed a gel black. I couldn't find it. I knew I had one somewhere, but I don't know what I do with it. So I had to grab myself a new black. And I just love, I'm obsessed with this handle. I love it. It stands out too when it's on your nail table. So next are these other two. On the left is bubblegum gel pink, and that's the 1, 2, 3 go. And the other one is a 1, 2, 3 go bubblegum gel clear. Okay, so I'm super excited to try these out. I will try them in a future video, so please subscribe and stay tuned so you don't miss out on any videos.